to war. Yes, we have all heard what we wanted to hear. Proof that sounds right to war. Yes, what wisdom is there within us to live based on the feeling of our hearts? How many times has instinct let us down? Never to be through, never be questioned. Say what you really mean when your ambition calls you for what you deserve. Is there in Brian? If you're alone, hear what you want to hear. We have all heard what we wanted to hear. Proof that sounds right to war. Yes! Yes! Respect what dream to resistance world. But what about the battle within us? If we have chosen to live against the prey, then why are we all facing the same way? There is no difference between us and them if we are blindly see truth from sentiments. We have all what we wanted to hear. That sounds right to one. Yes! We have all what we wanted. That sounds right to one. Yes! We have all what we wanted to hear. Proof that sounds right to us.